Once you've started planning, you're ready to start baking up some CDP success, right? Well, not quite so fast. You might have prepared and planned your recipe, but now you need to start grabbing those essential ingredients. And I'll warn you, some of them may not be easy to find. Unless you're a professional chef or a baker, getting ready to bake for the very first time means that your pantry might be missing, well, a few things. The same can be said for marketers in regards to the data ingredients required for CDP success. Many of these may already exist in your organization, so let's be sure to just focus on leveraging what's already in the cupboards to begin with, whether that's your existing CRM, ESP, marketing database, POS data, and so on. Of course, we all know that whether in a bakery, a kitchen, or a corporation, there will be some essential ingredients missing. So start thinking about what those essential ingredients are and begin to build out a shopping list. This will help save you time and make preparation much more efficient. For instance, let's say a baker is just planning to bake a standard white loaf. Well, then they're going to require basic water, yeast, flour, and salt. But if they want to get creative and, bake a sourdough garlic rosemary herb focaccia, then they'll require additional ingredients to enrich the batches. The same goes for marketers. If you just want to send a one-size-fits-all email, then you just really need a customer email address list. But if you want to market the way that you should be in the 21st century, then you're going to want to personalize and tailor every audience batch so that the message they receive have a more personalized flavor, which means you're going to want to access all those ingredients or data that you can get your mitts on. Now we'll come back to this later in the recipe, but for now, let's look at what a shopping list might entail for those attempting to bake CDP success. And just to be crystal clear, if you or a family member are actually watching this as a baking how-to, we would not suggest putting any of the following ingredients into an actual bowl, or your body for that matter. CDPs are completely fine. All right, so let's grab our shopping list. First on the list is contact data. Now, contact data is typically found in the CRM aisle. This will be a core ingredient, just like water is used across many stages of the cooking and baking process. This ingredient will be key to the foundation of the recipe, and it'll also be key to your success. It will be what holds all of your ingredients together. Contact data consists of one part unique identifiers, such as an email address, a mobile number, or a member ID. And then one part unique identifiers such as first names, street names, state, province, country, and so on. Next on the list is engagement data. This is typically found in the marketing aisle, and you can find it also in the ESP, e-commerce, or even marketing cloud aisle. This ingredient is required to enhance the form of your dish. It also gives it depth and texture. Think of this as your yeast. It provides substance to your final product. Engagement data also adds flavor to the dish and allows you to produce a more delicious customer experience, and it really truly is what makes it differentiating. Now next up is purchase data. This can typically be found in the POS aisle, but it can also be found in the marketing and CRM aisle. Your purchase ingredients add lifetime value to your dish. Purchase data, similar to flour, can give your batches a very different look and texture. Purchase data makes your bake more substantial and can help determine who receives what type of loaf. Next up is preferential data. This data can be found in a few different areas of the supermarket. It's sometimes in the CRM aisle, sometimes it's near the profile center section, but it can also be found in the marketing aisle. It's also possible that if you can't find this at your local, then a third-party provider may be able to help you buy this ingredient. Keep in mind, if you do end up buying this data from a third-party provider, it will need to be combined with your contact data ingredients. Otherwise, it won't be very useful as a part of your bake, and it will add complexity to your batch. You can't just toss in a dash of preferential data. Mixing it with your contact data is a step that can't be skipped. Next up is service interaction data. This ingredient will need to be collected from the customer service department of your business. These ingredients can help you identify problems while baking and can help identify and resolve issues within your batch before it begins to rise, enabling you to deliver satisfaction to those you're baking for. And then last on the list is behavioral data. These ingredients can be found across multiple aisles: the e-commerce aisle, the analytics aisle, the marketing aisle, and even the CRM and service aisles. These ingredients can be used to enhance the flavors of your batch, to make them more specific to your end customer.